Hello students, in previous video we have started lesson number 12, that is adjectives. Adjective means what? We have seen a word that tells us more about a noun. That word is called what? Adjective. This we have seen. Today we are going to see the different types of adjectives. There are different types of adjectives like adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives. Today we are going to see these different types of adjectives. First type of adjective is adjectives of quality. This type we have seen in previous video. Adjective that describe the quality of person, place, animal or thing. That adjective is called adjectives of quality. For example, you can see here examples are given. Honest man. Next, tall giraffe and true incident. The highlighted adjectives in this example, they describe the quality of noun. How is the man? Honest. How is the giraffe? Tall. And how is the incident? True. Means these highlighted words, honest, tall, true. What they describe? They describe the quality of the nouns. Which are the nouns here? Man, giraffe, incident. And of these nouns, quality is described by honest, tall and true. Honest, tall, true. These words, they describe the quality of noun. So these words are called which type of adjective? Adjective of quality. Next type of adjective is adjectives of quantity. Adjective of quantity means what? See, adjectives that describe the quantity of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. Now quantity means what? How much? For example, several children. How many children are there? Several. How much that thing it is there. It is described by adjectives of quantity. Second example, some rice. How much rice it is? Some. Third, many packages. How much packages are there? Or how many packages are there? Many. Means highlighted words. Several, some, many. These words or adjectives, they describe the quantity of the nouns. Next type of adjective is adjectives of number. The definition in yellow box it is given. We'll see adjectives that describe the number of nouns are called adjectives of number. Adjective of number. In these words only you can find the definition. The adjective that describe the number of what? Noun. That adjective is called adjectives of number. Now here see fourth game. 26 years, one dish. This highlighted word, fourth, 26, one. This highlighted word or you can say adjectives. They describe the number of the nouns. Now here, which game? Fourth game. How many years? 26 years. Dish. How many dish are there? One dish. Means fourth, 26, one. These are the adjectives that describe the number of nouns. So they are called adjectives of number. Now adjectives of number. This type can be further divided into two groups, which are that cardinal and ordinal. These are the two types of adjectives of number. Now first we'll see what is the cardinal adjective of number. Adjectives that tell us about the number of nouns are called cardinal adjectives of number. For example, 10 toys. Here 10. 10 is the adjective that tells us about the number of nouns. Now here how many toys are there? 10. So 10 is called what here? Cardinal adjectives of number because it tells the number of toys. Next type of adjective of number, it is ordinal adjectives of number. Now what is this? See, adjective that tell us about the order of a person or thing in a series are called ordinal adjective of number. For example, first prize. What is the ordinal adjectives of number? Means see, the adjective that tell us order of the person means first person, second person, third person or thing. First thing, first ball, second ball. This series, that only it is called ordinal adjectives of number. First prize, second prize, third prize. In this first, second, third, these are the adjectives. They are called what? Ordinal adjectives of number. because they tell about the order of the person or a thing in a series. So these words, first, second, third, these words are called which type of adjective? Ordinal adjectives of number. Means in short, 1, 2, 3, 4. We say na these numbers, they are called cardinal adjective of number. And first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like these words we use na, these words or this adjective, they are called ordinal adjectives of number. Here series means a number of things, events, that we say first prize, second prize. So this first, second, third, these words are called what? Ordinal adjective of number. Next type of adjective we are going to see, that is possessive adjectives. What means possessive adjectives? We'll see. Adjectives that show who owns or possesses something are called possessive adjectives. Here adjective that shows who owns or possesses means belong to whom that something it is there. That word or that adjective it is called possessive adjectives. For example, her dress. Second example, my brother. Third, their house. This highlighted word, her, my, their. These highlighted words, what they tell? That who possesses the noun means belong to whom dress it is? Her. Whose brother it is? My. Whose house it is? Their. Means her, my, their. These words are said here possessive adjectives. Next type of adjective we are going to see, that is demonstrative adjective. The definition we'll see of demonstrative adjective. Adjective that help in pointing out a specific person, place, animal or thing are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, see here, that man, this park, those people, these pains. In this example, the highlighted adjectives helps in pointing out the noun. Which man? That man. Which park? This park. Which people? Those people. Which pains? These pains. That, these, those, these words helps us in pointing out a specific person, place, animal or thing. So these words are called demonstrative adjectives. Here one chart is given. In that they have to study the table. In this, these, that, these, those, these words are given. These words are what? Demonstrative adjective. And when they should use, that it is given here. Now this points to a person, an animal or a thing that is nearby. Means to point a person, animal or thing which is nearby. For that which word we use? This. Second, that. When we use that, points to a person, an animal or thing that is far away. If any person, animal or thing, it is far away. To point that, what we use? That. That person, that man. Third is this. When we use this, THESED, this points to people, animals or things that are nearby. See what? Animals, people, things. There's many animals, many things, many people which are nearby. For that which word we use? This, THESE. Next, those. When we use those, see, points to people, animals or things that are far away. Means people, animals, things, they are far away. To point that animal, things or people, which word we use? Those. Here for the singular noun which is nearby, for that which word we use? This, THIS. And which is the plural noun and which is nearby, for that we use this, THESE. And that second option, that when we use, when the single noun it is far away. And those we use that when plural noun it is far away. Question number 3, underline the adjectives and mention their kinds. You have to underline the adjective and you have to tell the type of that adjective here. First, the cold days will be here soon. First, you find out the noun in this sentence. Which is the noun? Days. And for days, which adjective it is used? Cold. Children, keep in mind, mostly adjective come before the noun. Day is what here? It is noun. And before that, which word is came here? Cold. That is the adjective. And it is which type of adjective? Adjective of quality. The answer is what? Adjective of quality. B. That is my uncle Mr. Sharma. In this sentence, that is what? Demonstrative adjective. And my is what? Possessive adjective. In C. They have a beautiful house. In this, they is what? Demonstrative adjective. And beautiful is what? Adjective of quality. D. These are my roller skates. This is what here? Demonstrative adjective, and my is possessive adjective. For the P is road for possessive adjective. Next, E. I got the first position in class. Now first is what here? Ordinal adjective of number. Like this other examples also are solved. This you have to copy in your grammar book. Next point we are going to see, that is the order of adjectives. When many adjectives are used together, they are placed in a sentence in a proper order. Sometime in sentence there are many adjectives. Together many adjectives come. That time how to arrange that adjectives in a proper order, that we are going to see now. Now here one chart is given. Adjectives usually come in this order. Means with the chart we will see how to arrange the adjective in a proper order. First, opinion means the adjective which describe or shows the opinion, like beautiful, soft. Like this adjective we have to place first. Next, there are adjective like big, small, which shows the size. This adjective we should place second. After that, there are adjective like round, oval. It shows the shape. Like this adjective we have to place third. Afterwards, age. There are adjective they shows the age, like new, old. That adjective we have to place fourth. Next, it is color. There are adjective which shows the color, like blue, black. Like this adjective we have to place fifth. After that, sixth, that is the nationality. There are some adjective they show the nationality, like Chinese, Arabian, Indian. Like this adjective we have to place sixth. And last one, that is the material. There are many material like plastic, wooden, book, toy. Like this material you have to place seventh. Means this is the order of adjective, and in this order we have to arrange the adjective in a sentence. With the help of the chart we are going to solve exercise which is given below. Fourth, rearrange the words, keep the order of adjective in a mind. Means you have to rearrange the given words with the help of order of adjective. Now first, A. Square, small, Japanese, red, scrapbook. Like these words are given. Now we have to arrange in a proper order. Now if you see the chart, in that first option it is given opinion, and that is a beautiful, soft. Like these words in the first question, that is square, small, Japanese, red, scrapbook. In this word, like this word is not there, so we have to see in the chart second option, that is the size. Now in this word there is a word that indicate the size. Yes, it is there, that is the small. So small word you have to write first. After small, you see in the chart upside, after size what is there? Shape. And there is a word in this words which indicate the shape. Yes, there it is, that is the square. So after small, what should you should write? Square. After shape, upside, fourth option is age. Now in this given words there is no word which indicate the age, so we have to see next option, fifth, that is the color. Now if you see these words, in that there is a word which indicate the color, that is a red. So after small, square, what will come? Red. And now after that, sixth option see in the chart, that is the nationality. Now in this given words you can find the word which show the nationality. It is there, that is the Japanese. So after red what will come? Japanese. And in the chart seventh option it is material. Now after nationality we have to see or add material. Now here in this question, scrapbook, this word shows the material. So after Japanese what will come? Scrapbook. So the sentence will be small, square, red, Japanese, scrapbook. Now B question, purple, small, new, pen. Here also you have to arrange this adjective with the help of the given chart. Now if you see opinion, it is not there. There is no word which indicate opinion. So size. Now small word indicates size. So small word it is took first. After that, shape. Upside third option, shape. Like this word is not there. After age. there is a word which indicate the age, that is the new. So after small what will come? New. After that, upside fifth option, that is the color. There is a word which indicate the color, so that will be purple. After that, there is no word which indicate the nationality. So next we have to see option, that is the material. There is the word pen which shows the material, so we have to write pen. Like this two example, other examples also you have to solve. Here answer given that you have to copy. Today's homework, students, you have to read lesson number 12 and you have to copy the answers on page 50 and 51 from the video. Thank you.